Interesting facts from around the world.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Interesting facts about the Space Shuttle. For many years, we wondered what was beyond our Earth. There was no way for anyone to explore the boundaries outside of our atmosphere. The Space Shuttle allowed these explorations finally to happen. This spacecraft was similar to a rocket, but also an aeroplane. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, used it to launch space probes and satellites, conduct space experiments, and build space stations. After 30 years of service, NASA's fleet of 3 remaining space shuttles stood down for good. After the final mission, the orbiters headed to museums to live out their lives on public display. Here are some interesting facts about the shuttles. In orbit, the Space Shuttle flew around the Earth at speeds of around 17,500 miles per hour. At this speed, the crew would see a sunrise or sunset every 45 minutes. The combined mileage of all 5 orbiters is 513.7 million miles, or 1.3 times the distance between the Earth and Jupiter. Each orbiter, except for Challenger, travelled farther than the distance between the Earth and the Sun. Only one president witnessed a space shuttle launch. President Bill Clinton and his wife Hillary Clinton witnessed Mercury astronaut John Glenn's return to space on the STS-95 flight on October 29, 1998, from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. The Space Shuttle wasn't just a mode of transport, it was a laboratory as well. There were 22 Spacelab science missions. Science, astronomy, and physics experiments were done inside a special module carried on the Space Shuttle. Spacelab, the reusable laboratory built for use on the Space Shuttle missions, allowed scientists to perform experiments in microgravity. Starting from 1983's Challenger missions, animals were an important component of space science. On the STS-7 mission, the social activities of ant colonies in zero gravity were examined. During the STS-8 mission, 6 rats were flown in an animal enclosure module to study animal behavior in space. The Space Shuttle's thermal protection system, or heat shield, contains more than 30,000 tiles that are constructed essentially of sand. The tiles were thoroughly inspected before every liftoff. They were a crucial tool that allowed the Space Shuttle to endure the intense heat exposed to it when the shuttle re-enters Earth's atmosphere to land. After the tiles are heated to peak temperatures, the tiles can cool fast enough to be held in your hand only a minute later. The heaviest Space Shuttle, Columbia, weighed in at 178,000 pounds, about the weight of 13 adult elephants. The first space shuttle to fly, Columbia, was the heaviest, as NASA was still searching for lighter materials to use, integrating some of these into the later orbiters. I hope you like this first video on space shuttles. I hope to do more on this subject soon. Let me know in the comments what you think. Bye for now.
Hey, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, it helps me a lot. Have a great day.
Interesting facts from around the world.